Hey guys, I'm Martin Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of an awesome leather journal book. Now you might be asking, why the hell am I doing an unboxing and video for a journal book? But the main reason for this is because this is one special journal book that actually has a wireless charging capability and has a power bank in it that will let you charge your iPhone, your new iPhone 10 if you have, or any mobile wireless phone that has Qi charging capability, like the Galaxy Note 8 that I have here, or the Galaxy, almost any Samsung Galaxy phone has wireless charging capability, so you can actually use this journal to charge your smartphone. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys here in the boxing what you get when you get it by the mail. I already used this journal and put it in the box, that way you guys can see what to expect. Like you see here, you got the leather looking journal there. It also comes in two other colors, light gray and dark gray. This is the brown, light brown color. Qi charging, fast charging, versatile pockets. Over here in the back, you got some specs that you can go ahead and read there. You got the weight, 720 grams. This comes in brown, light gray, dark gray. Wireless output, 10 watts for Android, 7.5 for iPhone. International Qi charging. Wired output, DC 5.0 volts or 2.1 amps, rechargeable battery, 8,000 milliamp hour battery, and of course the cables that are included in this case or journal book. So let's go and take this out, and here it is right away. Very simple unboxing here. Just going to take this out and voila. So one thing you're gonna realize right away when you get this in your hands is that it does feel a little bit heavy, 720 grams. The leather, you know, covering this journal book actually looks really damn good, so it makes it look very, very premium. And because it actually has a little weight on it, it actually feels like a very, very premium leather journal book or planner all in one, however you want to call it. Of course, this is in Kickstarter. It's around $40 to $60 depending on how you decide to, you know, help this get kickstarted. Here of course you got the brand. You got Universe book right there. If you go here in the back, you can see there, you can also see 8,000 milliamp hour battery. You can see the specs right here for the battery right there. And of course, when we open it up, this is basically like magnetic. So this is gonna hold on the case right there. And you open it up, there it is. Here you can actually put some cards. So if you have cards you want to put there, or little papers you want to put there, you can put it right there. Here you're going to actually put some more papers. This is basically your journal or planner all in one, however you want to call it. And I'm pretty sure these pages you can actually change it to whatever format of pages you want to, as long as of course they do measure up to this case as well. So I'm pretty sure you can replace this to whatever type of pages you want. But right now these pages, in my opinion, they'll be like pretty damn good, like for teachers or sub teachers. This would be pretty damn good. Like for my wife, she's a teacher, I think this journal would be awesome for her. Right here, of course, in the last page you have some other instructions, and it's like a user guide for this case. And here is where the most of the magic relies right here. Here you have an adapter. I'm going to show you guys. This is an adapter for USB-C devices. So if you put it right here, right, gonna put it right there. There you go. Then if you want to, if your phone doesn't has wireless charging, or you want to use it using without wireless charging, all you got to do is connect it right there, and it'll just go ahead and start charging your phone. Just like that. Look at that. That's awesome. So that's how you would actually charge your smartphone if you don't want to use wireless charging. Also, you got micro USB cable. So almost every smartphone out there in the market still uses micro USB cable. So you have a micro USB cable there. If you have an iPhone that doesn't have wireless charging, you can use, there's a lightning cable right there as well, like you see. Perfectly good. And honestly, I think it's a perfect size, because if you're charging your phone, right, you can just plug it right there and keep it like that, and just close your book and you have your phone charging in there. So that would be awesome. like that. This right here is the cable that you're going to use to charge this case or this journal book. Let me go ahead and look for a power source over here and plug it in. There you go. Gonna plug it in right there, and there you have it. Look at that. This case is charging, or this journal book is actually charging. Something that you can't say about like millions of journal books out there in the markets, right? So this right here has 4 LED lights. When it's completely full and not blinking, that means that it is 100% charged. If it keeps on blinking, that means it's still charging, and basically that's it. And once you're done charging, all you got to do is put the cable back in here, and basically that's it. So the battery for this case, if I'm not mistaken, is right here, and basically that's it. There's like a little wire that goes all the way over here. So when you want to wireless charge your smartphone, all you got to do is make sure this is on. You just press the button, close your journal book right there, put your phone right there where that little circle thing is at, and voila, there you go. So now you're actually wireless charging your smartphone using a damn journal book. Who would have thought of that? That is freaking awesome. So that's cool that right now you can do that with almost any smartphone out there in the market. They're coming out with wireless charging. Every iPhone, I think, is from now on are going to be having wireless charging. Almost every Galaxy phone has wireless charging, and most of the high-end phones do have wireless charging though. So that is pretty damn awesome. Like I said, I'm gonna leave links in my description for this case. Right now it's on Kickstarter. I don't know if it's live yet, but as soon as I have the live link for this Tesmo Universe book, like it says right there, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the comments. That way you can actually read a little bit more about it. Like, see there, charges really fast. It actually detects it. And for me, if I'm not mistaken, I actually thought this was like the Tesmo logo for the company, but I think that's actually the sweet spot where they want you to put the phone. I think that's the reason why they put that there. I don't know if it's actually the brand logo, which in my opinion it should be, right? But you know, like it is. So let's say you're not using the wireless charging for a while, it will actually deactivate. Okay, so it will not stay on right now since I'm just putting it on and off. So it actually detects it and it automatically starts charging. But right now it will automatically turn off once it passes like 10 or 20 or 30 seconds, something like that. It will actually turn off, and once this turns off, the wireless charging is not going to be capable until you actually press the button and activate it. So keep that in mind. So of course there's nothing more I can actually show you guys from this journal. When I was approached to do a video for this product, I was actually like a little bit impressed and confused, because why would you want to have a journal book with battery in it to charge your smart devices? But it totally makes sense, because if you're a student or you're a professional or you're a teacher, sometimes you can be carrying around a lot of things and all you have is your journal book. So yes, this totally makes sense for professionals, as well. Of course, here you have a pencil or a pen holder right there, so you can put your pen right there, and that's it. And of course, like I said, these papers, there's like, I think there's like 72 pages here. But these pages later on, you could go ahead and replace them for any type of pages that you want, as long, of course, as long as they fit the size of this right here, of this planner. And of course here, like I said, you could put cards, papers, and anything in here, notes you want to save. And this, of course, you know, has a very good quality magnet, and it's not going to come off anytime soon. So honestly, I think it's pretty damn cool. Of course, this is the light brown color, but it comes in light gray, which looks really damn nice. I saw the pictures. It looks really damn nice. The light gray one and the dark gray one actually looks cool too. As soon as I get the live links for this product, they're going to be in my description. If they become available in Amazon, I will also leave the Amazon link in my description as well. So keep that in mind. Right now, I think it's not turning on because it completely turned off, like you see there. But now, so that was like what, like 1 minute it actually took. Oh, and there you go. And done too. La la la. So there you have it, guys. This was an awesome look at the Tesmo Universe book from Tesmo, which has a wireless charging capability, and it has a 8,000 milliampere hour battery in it. And honestly, in my opinion, it feels really damn good. So if you hand this book to somebody, they're gonna be like, whoa, this is a super high-end book. Why is it so heavy? But in reality, it's because it feels super high quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. That's the great thing about it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like a high-end product for a professional person. Not me. I'm not professional, so it's not for me. But like for my wife, she's a teacher. This is gonna be perfect because she has a Galaxy S8 Plus and has wireless charging, so that's going to be perfect for her. This of course is the Galaxy Note 8, and of course the new Galaxy Note is actually going to be compatible as well, Note 9, and so on. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this, and like I said, I'll leave links in my description for Amazon and the Kickstarter as soon as they become available. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.